Alright guys, welcome to your 12th physics lecture, and in this lecture I'm going to be clearing things up because I'm going to discuss the units of force. Now, the rules for units of force is this. Whenever you're trying to figure out the force of something and you have your mass that's measured in kilograms, not grams, not anything else but kilograms, and your acceleration is going to be measured in meters per second squared, then the end result or the force you come up with is going to be something called newtons, which is symbolized with an N in physics. Now, if you guys are saying, okay, this is kind of hard for me to picture, how much force is exactly 1 Newton? Is it a car hitting me? Is it the force that, maybe you're throwing a baseball? Is that 1 Newton? Well, I know a Newton, just picturing, okay, kilograms, meters per second is kind of hard to picture. So imagine it like this. On Earth, whenever you are holding a pound of something in your hand, that's equal to 4 newtons. So 4 newtons equals 1 pound. So what exactly does this mean? Say you are holding a 1 pound bottle of water, because wow, that definitely does not does not look like a bottle of water, H2O. But say that you are holding a 1 pound bottle of water, 16 ounces. This is supposed to be your hand right here. Well, if this bottle of water was 16 ounces or 1 pound, then due to gravity, the bottle of water would be pushing down on your hand with a force of 4 newtons, right like that. So basically, on Earth, 1 pound equals about 4 newtons. So let's go ahead and, enough with my awesome drawing. Let's go ahead and take a look at a word problem. So just remember this. Force, which is measured in newtons, is equal to mass times acceleration. So I have this big old potato behind my house, and this potato weighs, or has a mass, should I say, of 6 kilograms. Now, me and my friends thought it would be an awesome idea to fling this potato through the air with the potato gun that we built. Now, this potato gun that we built, it kind of looks like this, and it can exert a force of 36 newtons. It's a pretty powerful potato gun. So what we wanted to figure out is, okay, how fast can we get this 6 kilogram potato to go with this potato gun that can exert a force of 36 newtons? Well, we know we had this formula, force equals mass times acceleration, and we had the force, which was this right here, and we had the mass of the object, or the potato, which was 6 kilograms, so 36 newtons, which would be the force, equals the mass, which would be 6 kilograms, times acceleration, and that's what we were trying to figure out. So in order to get A alone, or acceleration, you divide both sides by 6, and you come up with the answer of 6 meters per second squared. So guys, just remember this. If you have a potato that has a mass of 6 kilograms, and you built a potato gun that is capable of flinging a potato 36 newtons, then you can get that sucker up to a speed of 6, or a velocity of 6 meters per second. So there you go, there's some potato gun building advice, and hopefully you guys understand the units of force, which is newtons. So remember one more time, whenever your mass is measured in kilograms and your acceleration is measured in meters per second squared, then your force is always going to be equal to newtons.